TRAFFIX AI. Hey there, welcome to my TRAFFIX AI review. In this video, we are going to go over exactly what this system includes and the pros and cons of this specific type of approach. Before we dive into looking at TRAFFIX AI, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this from home for well over 10 years now, so I've seen quite a lot of these product launches come and go, so hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research TRAFFIX AI reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with the TRAFFIX AI app, basically it's focused on getting traffic on the internet that you can use to promote affiliate programs with. They've got a sales page which actually reminds me of a lot of these WarriorPlus launches that were coming out several years ago. So it's slightly more of an old school WarriorPlus launch type of sales page, but this vendor consistently appears on the top of the WarriorPlus marketplace leaderboards, so his sales pages do convert well into sales. A lot of the reasoning behind that is they've got a catchy product name, and you've got a short, catchy sales video presentation. You've got bullet point income claims, and you've also got a bit of scarcity. If you buy now or within a certain time period, you get a discount, and you've got a countdown timer and lots of income claims and screenshots. So this type of sales page does tend to work quite well. That's why it's always a good idea to have an email list with internet marketing, because when a new launch comes, you're one of those marketers who can send traffic to it right from the start and benefit from those high converting new sales pages when they come out. So it's also worth bearing in mind the ingredients behind these sales pages and why they work, why they sell, and get into that selling mindset to help you with your future marketing. But in terms of being a customer of TRAFFIX AI, this is very much focused on traffic sources. So they're going to give you a whole host of different traffic sources inside the members area you can share your links to. Normally, this is a load of social media accounts. So some of them, which I've seen with these type of tools before, some of them make good sense to share them on in terms of getting traffic, maybe a Reddit post or a LinkedIn article or a medium.com article, for example. Some of them make less sense, and some of them you're only going to get traffic if you've got a following, such as sharing to a social media account like Facebook, where the content itself may not rank on the search engines, but you're going to need a following for people to see it, otherwise you're just sharing content to an empty account with no followers. So it's going to be a bit of hit and miss with those sources, and normally they're just getting you to share one link, such as a link to a social media post or a link directly to an affiliate product. But with something like LinkedIn or Reddit or Medium, sharing one link is not going to cut it. You need an actual entire article on those social media platforms. So I think the sources of traffic could be good researched to research through, see which make a good idea to actually post an article on. I think that's the best use rather than just a social media post or a graphic or a link, and then use that for your own research for really understanding what platforms and sources are out there for traffic. The inbuilt tool they give you, where you click and it posts a link one by one to each of these traffic sources, may be a bit overhyped, but if it gives you an idea of the different types of traffic sources that are out there, then that may well be a good research experience in any case. And with these systems, there's often a lot of overlap between previous systems of very similar membership areas. They just change the branding and the product name and give you essentially the same sort of tools each time. They normally give you tools for building landing pages and building little mini sales funnels, and you've got drag and drop editors for graphics, which you can post on social media websites. You've got drag and drop editors for creating short form video content you can post on social media websites. You've got a list of different affiliate networks and their top products, so you can research which products to actually promote. You've got text-based AI generators for putting a tweet on Twitter or a Facebook post, or optimized for each of these different Facebook platforms. And then you've got the traffic sources to share the content you generate with AI using TRAFFIX AI manually one by one to each of these traffic platforms, reshare the link to try and funnel traffic to your affiliate programs and earn commissions. So all in all, with TRAFFIX AI, I think there's both pros and cons. The advantages is you're learning a lot about the different traffic sources and platforms that are out there, and you're learning how to use AI to build simple social media content. What's lacking is the more step-by-step business strategy behind it, how to build up your followers and get engagement and build an engaged follower base, so it actually makes it worth sharing your links to these various social media platforms. And also some of the tools are quite basic in terms of the content you generate, but if you can still learn some tactics as a newbie by seeing what they've got inside the members area nonetheless. So it'll be interesting to see how people get on with TRAFFIX AI. If you want to discover more about how I've been earning a full-time income online consistently for well over 10 years now, and you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my TRAFFIX AI review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.